Hi there, how are things going with you? I'm so glad you're here today. Welcome to Speak Real English, your trusted space for improving your American English speaking skills. I'm Cristiano Ronaldo, your guide to better fluency and natural communication. Today, we're going to explore a topic that many English learners struggle with, especially those living in places where English isn't commonly spoken. One of our viewers, Scarlett from the United States, sent in a great question. She asked, how can someone practice English in a country where English isn't the official language? That's such a thoughtful and relatable question, and I know it applies to many of you tuning in from different parts of the world. Whether you're in Brazil, Thailand, Egypt, or Italy, the challenge of finding English-speaking environments is very real, and I'm here to help you through it. First off, if you're watching this video, please leave a comment and let us know what country you're watching from. It's amazing to see how global our community is, and I love hearing from all of you. Now, let's get into some strategies that can truly make a difference in your English learning journey, no matter where you live. One practical step is to look for people in your area who already speak English. Even in non-English speaking countries, there are often communities of expats, international students, or business professionals who speak English. These people might be interested in connecting through cultural events, clubs, meetups, or shared hobbies. When you bond over mutual interests like music, cooking, sports, or art, it becomes easier to engage in conversation, and practicing English feels more natural and fun. If you're having trouble finding someone locally, the internet becomes your best tool. You're already here with Speak Real English, so you're already taking a step in the right direction. There are websites and platforms dedicated to language exchange where you can connect with native speakers or fellow learners who want to improve their language skills through conversation. But if you're looking for even more structured guidance, online lessons are one of the most effective ways to grow quickly. For example, our friends at Verbaling are offering a special opportunity for our Speak Real English community. You can sign up for a premium English lesson with a qualified native speaking tutor and try a free session. It's a personalized experience where you get real-time feedback, and it can fit right into your schedule from the comfort of your own home. Now, let's say you've tried joining local events or clubs, explored language exchanges online, and taken a few lessons, but still feel like you need more practice. I've been there. When I lived in Japan, I also found it hard to consistently find people to practice with, even in a country that values English education. That's when I discovered the value of practicing on my own. Yes, you can learn and improve your English by working with yourself. One way to do that is by talking out loud. Describe your day, narrate your actions, or express your thoughts as if you're explaining them to a friend. This builds fluency and confidence. Another method is to record your voice. Use your phone or computer to capture your speech, then listen back. This allows you to evaluate your pronunciation, tone, and pacing, helping you become more self-aware and improving over time. You can also develop the habit of thinking in English. That might sound strange at first, but it's a powerful way to immerse your mind in the language. Start by forming simple sentences about what you see or what you're doing, and gradually build your thoughts using more complex structures. Over time, this inner dialogue helps train your brain to operate in English more naturally. Another creative strategy is using music. Find songs in English that you enjoy. Listen to them while reading the lyrics, memorize the lines, and sing along. Not only is it fun, but it also trains your ear for rhythm, stress, and pronunciation. I personally used to do this while waiting for public transport. It made the wait more enjoyable and productive, and helped reinforce vocabulary and phrases. Let's take a moment to summarize everything you can do. Look for international communities or events in your local area. Visit stores or restaurants where English speakers might work. Go online to find a conversation partner. Book a lesson with a tutor for targeted feedback and progress. Practice speaking to yourself out loud. Record your voice and listen to it. Think in English throughout your day. And sing English songs to boost your listening and pronunciation. These are not just study techniques, they're lifestyle changes that make English a natural part of your daily routine. And the best part is, you don't need to wait for the perfect opportunity or environment. You can start wherever you are, right now, and build your path to fluency. If you found these tips useful, please feel free to share this video with your friends who are also on their English learning journey. It's free, and it could really help someone gain the confidence they need. And make sure you're subscribed to Speak Real English right here on YouTube so you don't miss out on more helpful tips, techniques, and lessons designed just for you. I'm here to support you every step of the way, and I truly believe you have what it takes to speak English confidently. Thanks so much for being here with me today, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care, keep practicing, and stay motivated. Talk to you next time.